So I am in Karnataka, a little north of Bangalore, visiting nature trail including Hennur, Devanhali, Rajankunta and Hisarghatta. Let's see how it goes. This little clip was from Rajankunta. So early in the day, we have a need for speed because we plan for about 120 kilometers, but it's going to be a little bit longer, I feel, because we'll get lost. Instinctively, I slow down in the forests because it's time for self-reflection. It's tiring a little bit riding on the trails, more effort, especially on a road bike. So this is Hennur bamboo forest, slightly north of Bangalore, north east actually. It's got a lot of clumps of bamboo and it's a beautiful place. There's a cycling track where you can come in at, but it's not paved, so a little tough for road bikes. But nevertheless, nice. A little muddy today because it's rained yesterday, but awesome anyway. And I didn't plan well. So on the right, you can see what's happened to my cycle. On the left, you'll see the lake. This looks like a quarry lake. Maybe a long time back, they excavated all the stone here for building purposes, and it left
GPS
this
signal
big
lost.
cavity, which now is kind of a lake. Devanhali Fort, a nice little temple town, and it was awesome. Oh, we have some powered people looking back at us. I was slowing them down. But it's a better view of the fort, uh, and I think we'll have a better view a little bit later. So that was Devanhali Fort. I have to look up the history of the fort, but it's a small little temple town and small little rampart and gates. We are now on our way, I think about 60 kilometers away. It's a dam. I can't pronounce it. When we get there, we'll film again. Have to go a little bit more faster because I think I've lost about 10-15 kilometers at this point. Not only am I getting tired, I think we are running out of juice for my nav. Yeah, it's working. I think we are arriving somewhere. So there's a small temple here. Apparently some festivities are going on. And here's the dam. I think we are on the dam and it's a huge lake. I probably could have brought my cycle here, but there are notices saying it's a prohibited area, etc. So my cycle is way down there, and I just climbed the slope. Yeah, mud is everywhere, and it's if you're clipped in and if you have mud in your shoes, it's a big problem. But we'll get it out.
GPS signal lost.
My GPS signal is also lost. Happy Akshay Tritiya.